How to make a skit. What is a skit? A skit is a short drama performance or play that is usually funny. Today you will make a skit using a nursery rhyme as inspiration. First, you need to choose a nursery rhyme from the list. Hickory dickory dock, baa baa black sheep, pat a cake, itsy witsy spider, rockabye baby, or Humpty Dumpty. Then you need to create a short script for your skit. A script is writing that shows what characters say and do during a play or skit. Next, you need to find props to go with your skit. A prop is any item that an actor uses during the skit. An example could be a book, a cup, or a broom. Then, pick a costume to go with the characters in your skit. You can use any items from your home to dress up your character. It can be something simple like a scarf or a hat. Finally, practice or rehearse your skit, then record a video to share with your teacher. Have fun!